In this video, learn how to draft concise and comprehensive technical specifications that effectively communicate with development teams, ensuring project success and minimizing misunderstandings.
Have you ever been part of a project where the outcome didn't match the initial vision? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how you can avoid such pitfalls by crafting clear technical specifications. These documents are crucial for ensuring every member of your development team is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings, and driving project success. Stay tuned to learn how to create specifications that developers will love.
The first step to writing effective technical specifications is understanding their purpose. These documents are more than just a list of requirements, they serve as a blueprint for your project. They clarify the project scope, align the team's understanding, and set clear expectations for what the development should achieve. A well-crafted specification facilitates communication across all stakeholders and acts as a roadmap that guides the project from start to finish. When everyone knows their role in the end goal, you minimize the risk of costly misunderstandings and ensure the project runs smoothly. Next, let's talk about stakeholders. Identifying and understanding your key stakeholders is vital when crafting technical specifications. Stakeholders can range from project managers to end users, and each group has unique needs. Start by determining who your primary stakeholders are and what their requirements entail. Engaging stakeholders early not only helps in collecting valuable input but also in balancing diverse needs, ensuring that each requirement is well represented. This process fosters enhanced stakeholder buy-in, making the journey from development to deployment much smoother.
Once you've identified your stakeholders, it's time to focus on the structure of your specification document. A well-organized document is key to ensuring that your message is clear. Start with a table of contents for easy navigation and use clear headings and subheadings to break down the content logically. This not only makes it easier to read but also ensures that important information can be found quickly. Use simple and concise language throughout to avoid misunderstandings. Remember, a well-structured specification is a powerful tool in keeping your project on track.
The heart of any technical specification lies in its components. First, provide a project overview that outlines the major goals. Follow this with detailed requirements, specifying what needs to be developed. Address any technical constraints that might impact the project, such as system limitations or compliance requirements. Define clear acceptance criteria to let developers know when a task is considered complete. Lastly, include a timeline with milestones for tracking progress. Each of these components works together to give developers a complete picture of the project, ensuring their work meets all necessary standards and goals.
Complex processes can often be hard to convey through text alone. This is where diagrams and flowcharts become invaluable. Visual aids can simplify and clarify complex information, making it easier for developers to understand and implement. Diagrams facilitate better communication by providing a visual representation of processes and workflows. Whether you use flowcharts, wireframes, or sequence diagrams, each type serves a unique purpose in enhancing understanding. Choose the right visual aid for your needs and watch how it transforms your specifications into a developer-friendly document. Even with the best intentions, writing technical specifications can sometimes go awry. Let's discuss some common pitfalls to avoid. First, steer clear of vague language that can lead to misunderstandings. Ensure your specifications are complete. Missing information can derail a project. Avoid making assumptions, always confirm details with stakeholders. Be vigilant about scope creep, which can extend timelines and inflate budgets. Lastly, remember that specifications should be living documents. Regularly review and update them to reflect any changes or new insights. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can craft specifications that are clear, precise, and actionable. Writing technical specifications doesn't have to be a daunting task. There are numerous tools and templates available to simplify the process. Start by using pre-existing specification templates to guide your document structure. Leverage project management tools like Jira or Trello to track tasks and deadlines. Collaborative platforms such as Confluence or Google Docs enable team input and feedback. Standardize your document formats to ensure consistency across projects. Lastly, explore automation options for repetitive tasks. By utilizing these tools, you can streamline the specification process, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. To truly understand what makes a technical specification effective, it's beneficial to look at real-world examples. Analyze successful specifications from industry leaders to identify best practices. These examples can offer insights into how to structure your document, what components to include, and how to communicate effectively with developers. Additionally, reviewing case studies of successful projects can provide practical examples of specifications in action. Adapt these insights to fit your specific needs, and you'll have a strong foundation for creating your own effective specifications.
By now, you've learned how to write clear and concise technical specifications that developers will appreciate. We've covered everything from defining the purpose of specifications to using diagrams for clarity. Remember, the key to success lies in clear communication and understanding your stakeholders' needs. Practice drafting your own specifications and seek feedback to improve. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below with your experiences or questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.